Back by Martinez. Eriksen's return pass. Malacia. And Sancho has sat one down and score! And Old Trafford explodes! Now that is the sound of the theatre of dreams, when they are dreaming.
And I can tell you something now, that, if ever there was, is an old-fashioned, typical Manchester United goal. Absolutely brilliant. And this finish, dummy, no, open goal, thank you very much. What a goal that is. What a game we've got on our hands now.
Jadon Sancho with his first goal since a meaningless consolation in the Manchester derby in March. This one is as far from meaningless as is conceivable. And for the first time as the Manchester United manager, Erik ten Hag relishes a lead.